Okay, in this example here, we have ones that are already graphed for us, and all we have to do is just write the solution set for them. So we've gotten some practice for this, um, but we will practice a little bit more. Okay, so here we go. If this is my graph, notice that I'm shaded between -2 and 3. So in set notation, I would go the set of all x such that, and then tell me that I am shaded all the numbers that are bigger than -2 and not exactly -2, so I don't want to color it in, and then all the numbers that are less than 3. That's what that would look like. In interval notation, I start being shaded right here on the left-hand side at -2, but it's not colored in, so I'll leave it as a parentheses. And then I'm shaded, 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 shaded all the way until I hit 3 over here. That actually should be a bracket, sorry, because it is colored in. Okay? Over here, the set of all x such that, okay, on the left-hand side, I started shading at -3, and I'm shading all the way to the right of -3. So basically, I'm shading all the places that are bigger than -3. Okay? In interval notation, I'm going from -3 to positive infinity. All right, here I've got two branches, and so this is sometimes where it gets a little bit tricky. You need to describe the two branches separately when you're doing set notation. So this branch right here would be all the numbers that are less than -2, less than or equal to -2 because it's colored in, or, okay, this branch would be all the numbers that are greater than 3. Okay? Then, in interval notation, you need to do the same thing. This branch right here, you'll go from -infinity up to -2, bracket because it's colored in. And then this branch, I will go from 3 up to positive infinity. And then because you need both branches to show up, you need this U in between, which is union. All right, then this one's a little different because only one of them is just a dot. So I'll have the set of all x such that this part right here would be all the numbers that are less than or equal to -3. Or, since this is just a dot, I just have to say x equals 4. Just like that. Okay? Then on interval notation, the branch over here, I would go from -infinity to exactly -3, union, and then all I have is the number 4. That's it. And you might want to put it in a bracket like that. Just the number 4.